Been trying to make shorts videos on YouTube? I know it's tiring to manually edit long form videos into shorts, right? Today, I'm going to show you how to simplify that steps.
Now, we first need to find a niche, as so our efforts won't go to waste. At least we could monetize our channel. For this video tutorial, we would take a motivational videos for an example. Ideally, I would go to YouTube and turn on incognito mode, as so I could find the trending viral videos as part of my content creation. I've managed to find this video, where Steve Jobs gave a motivational speech back in 2005, which I find very inspiring. I then downloaded the video, using free YouTube video downloader. You could just Google that and there is quite a few trusted sites to do the job. Then, once I got the long-form video, I'm going to use OpusClip to generate multiple shorts in less than 10 minutes. This really helps to save a lot of time editing and adding in captions and whatnot. I'll share the link to OpusClips in the description below. It's free to use. If you love them, you're always free to subscribe. Now after uploading the long-form video into OpusClips, give it a couple of minutes to process. Opus will then generate multiple short-forms clips for you based on their viral score ranking. Now here you can see that the captions has been auto-generated, and here's the transcript of the texts, which you are also able to make amendments to. There's also a few enhancement features like AI hook sounds, enhanced speech, adding a background in their in-house editor, so you could just create your shorts in one single app. Well, that's about it. I hope that this video is simple and on point. If you have any question, please hit me up in the comment sections and I'll be happy to answer your needs.